Welcome to Q177 Mathematics. In this video, we are to find the number of digits in 4 raised to the power 5 times 5 raised to the power 4. Let's see how we are going to do it. So first, we need to break these numbers. Now this one, we can write it as 4, we can write it as 2 raised to the power 2, all raised to the power 5 times 5 raised to the power 4. And we are going to have this 2 times 5, we have 2 raised to the power 10 times 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, now 2 raised to the power 10 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4 plus 6 times 5 raised to the power 4. Now from indices, we can express this one, say 2 raised to the power 4 times 2 raised to the power 6 times 4 raised to the power 4. Now from indices, we have a times b all raised to the power m, and write it as a raised to the power m times b raised to the power m. So from here to we can move to the left hand side. So this is equal to 2 raised to the power 6 times 2 raised to the power 4 times 5 raised to the power 4. So by this, you can write it as 2 raised to the power 6 times 2 times 5 raised to the power 4. So this is the same as 2 raised to the power 6, 2 times 5 is 10 to the power 4. Yeah. And this 2 raised to the power 6 is equal to 64, and 10 to the power 4 is 10,000. So when we multiply, we are going to get 640,000. And we are looking for the number of digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore, the number of digits is 6. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be alerted. Bye.